and told the detective what she needed to know in order to arrest whoever was behind your murder. So, back to your torture, and me to mine.
Hey, man, you keep talking about the detective. Who is she?
Someone I left behind a very long time ago.
Seemed like somebody pretty important.
More than you could ever know.
I can feel your heart hanging in the air. I'm counting every step as you climb the stairs. It's buried in your bones. I see it in your closed eyes turning in.
What's wrong? Lucifer isn't coming back.
This is harder than we know. We hold it in the most when we're wearing thin. Coming like a hurricane.
This isn't even Los Angeles! And you're not her. It's me. It's Lucifer.
It's really you. I want to be the one who is there for him. In every way. I was a gift from God. Why me?
Detective, when I found out about this manipulation, I felt the same way as you.
Wow.
I realized that it's far from a curse. It's a gift.
You choose to be vulnerable around me.
I did go to hell and back for you twice, but who's counting?
That's what it's like to die, my man.
We are gonna figure this out. Together. Everything's gonna be okay. I promise.
Hi.
Hey.
My clever detective.
Lucifer. Lucifer and I are closer than ever.
I should have been there. I'm useless without her.
Are you trying to tell me that after all these years of working with
I
Chloe,
thought you could use a friend.
that you haven't learned anything?
I knew you were out there. The whole time looking for me.
And I'm not going anywhere until I know you're okay.
You're okay.
I just needed to make sure you're okay. I'm just happy to have you back.
You mind if I sit? I will never, ever, ever sleep again.
Hang hard to get, I like it.
When hell freezes over Lucifer.
Watch it go. Watch it go. We stay the same. I don't know how it can change. Watch it go. Watch it go. We stay the same. change. It's all we know.